If you own a 2003 to 2006 Silverado, you have a secret in your frame. A secret that Chevy doesn't advertise, that manuals don't mention, that most owners don't know, but that saves your truck every day for hundreds of thousands of miles. Subscribe now. Comment frame with your year. Let's discover it. The secret? Frame boxing. In 2003, GM changed the entire frame manufacturing process. Previous years, frame had open sections, C-channel, like a gutter. 2003 forward, GM closed those sections, boxed frame, rectangular tube, sealed. Why does this matter? Open frame accumulates water, salt, mud, rust from the inside. You can't see it, but it corrodes inside out until it cracks. Boxed frame, sealed, nothing gets in, zero internal corrosion. And more, much more resistant to torsion, flexing, impact. 2003 to 2006, you have a frame that will last forever. But it's just frame. Everyone has frame. No, not like yours. 2007 forward, GM changed again, cut costs, reduced steel thickness. Boxed frame? Yes, but thinner, less material. 2003 to 2006, thicker steel, over-engineered because GM had unlimited budget at that time. Result? Your frame handles 40% more torque than 2007 plus. You tow? Your frame doesn't flex. 2007 flexes. You crash. Your frame absorbs, protects cabin. 2007 transfers impact. You have the strongest frame GM ever built and will never build again. I see this every day analyzing auctions. Silverado 2003 to 2006 with 300,000 miles, frame perfect. Zero rust, zero cracks. Silverado 1999 to 2002, frame eaten by rust, holes, condemned. Same use, same conditions, difference? Frame boxing from 2003. And it's not just corrosion. Construction fleets, they know, they track everything. Frame failure rate 1999 to 2002, 8%. 1 in 12 dies from frame. 2003 to 2006, less than 1%. 1 in 150. Frame boxing saved thousands of trucks, including yours. So you own 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006. You have the best of both worlds. Frame boxing from 2003, fixed steel pre-crisis GM unlimited budget, but you also avoided the problems of 2007 plus. 2007, AFM starts failing, complex electronics, thinner frame. You, simple engine, minimal electronics, tank frame. You caught the sweet spot, the perfect moment, before the cuts, after the improvements. And your frame will survive everything. Road salt, boxed frame handles it. Heavy towing, thick frame handles it. Crash, strong frame protects. You have a truck that will pass to your grandkids, and the frame, still gonna be perfect. Frame boxing from 2003 was the best silent change GM made. No advertising, no marketing, just engineering. And you have the result of that working for you every day. While 1999 trucks die from frame rust and 2007 plus break from thin frames, your frame, indestructible, invisible, perfect. Comment frame with your year and mileage. Like, share. Next week, why 2007 to 2010 Silverados still feel more solid than 2020 plus. What changed? Your frame is your secret, and now you know. See you next time, Silverado family.